Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and welcome to Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds Walmart Edition. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like this video. So I'm starting a special series of Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds where I'm looking at what I can find at Walmart. Walmart is a store that's all over the world, and I figured I would take a look and see if there's anything I can find for $1 or less for model railroading. So this is part one. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first item is a can of flat black spray paint. This was 98 cents at Walmart. This is really great for using on roads as well as roofs or any sort of even surface that you want to have that nice matte black finish. So 98 cents at Walmart. So let's go ahead and go to our next item, and that's just some simple acrylic paint. This is brown in particular, but these little 2-ounce bottles are about 79 cents each at Walmart, and you can find a lot of different colors in the craft section. They also sell packs of the paint as well. So our next item is something, it's right around $1. Sometimes it's a little over, but it's some 70% isopropyl alcohol for removing the surface tension when you want to glue stuff down, like your ballast or your scenery. This is really great for that. You can also use wet water for that, which is water with dish soap, but I like using the isopropyl alcohol. And again, it's right around $1 at Walmart. So let's go on to our next item, and that is just some Elmer's school glue. No, it's not the Elmer's Glue All. It's a little bit more watered down, but it still really works great for all of those scenery materials. I use school glue and Glue All interchangeably, so it works really well. And this bottle was actually only 44 cents at Walmart. And our last item is this little block of foam, and I found this in the fake floral craft section. They have this, and they have kind of a green variety. And this is really great for carving little hillsides, or if you need something to stick some sort of scenery material on. This is really great for that, and I really like using it. And these were less than $1 each, so there you go. And that's my 5 items from Walmart this week. So that's part one of Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds Walmart Edition. I've got 3 more episodes of stuff that I found at Walmart for $1 or less coming up, so you definitely don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you don't miss those episodes when they come out. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!